Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your iPhone. How you can fix green lines on your iPhone screen. So first thing you need to try is just go to the settings. Just find in the settings here general, and in the general you need to find your shutdown. So just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your phone. So if it doesn't help you, you can also just go back to the general in the settings and just scroll down. So now you will see reset, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset all the settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting all settings. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just find here software update. So just check for updates. If you have available updates, just download and install it on your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make forced restart on your phone. So I will tell you an example of iPhone X. If you have another model of iPhone, you just need to press another combination. So you can find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on model of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from this power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.